Before you buy an electrical tester, watch this first. The wrong tool can give inaccurate readings, waste valuable time, and make troubleshooting more difficult. Whether you're an electrician, HVAC technician, or DIY user, choosing the right tester matters. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electrical testers and clamp meters to help you find the best option for your needs and budget. Number 1. Fluke T5-1000 Electrical Tester. The Fluke T5-1000 takes the top position in this comparison because it delivers professional-grade performance in a simple and reliable package. What I really like about this tester is its open-jaw current measurement design. It allows you to measure AC current up to 100 amps without direct metallic contact, making testing faster and safer. It also automatically measures both AC and DC voltage up to 1000 volts, which eliminates the need to switch modes manually. Another major advantage is Fluke's reputation for durability and accuracy. The detachable slim reach probe tips help you work in tight electrical panels, while the continuity beeper makes troubleshooting quick and easy. Pros measures AC and DC voltage up to 1000 V, open-jaw current measurement up to 100 AI, rugged professional-grade construction, automatic AC-DC voltage detection. Cons: a limited advanced measurement functions, higher price than many competitors. Who's it for? I think this model is perfect for professional electricians, maintenance technicians, and anyone who wants a dependable tester they can trust every day. Final thoughts. The Fluke T5-1000 combines simplicity, durability, and reliability better than almost any tester in its class. Number 2. Klein Tools CL800 Clamp Meter. The Klein Tools CL800 earns the second spot thanks to its impressive list of features and excellent overall value. Unlike simpler testers, the CL800 measures AC-DC current, AC-DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, capacitance, diode testing, and temperature. It also includes low impedance mode to help eliminate ghost voltage readings. What stands out most is its true RMS capability and 600 amp current range. The backlit display, built-in work light, and non-contact voltage detection make it extremely useful in real-world job site conditions. Pros: true RMS accuracy, measures up to 600 AAC DC current, includes temperature measurement, low-Z mode, and NCVD functions. Cons: a larger than compact testers, slight learning curve for beginners. Who's it for? This is an excellent choice for electricians, HVAC technicians, and advanced DIY users who want maximum functionality in one tool. Final thoughts. The CL800 is one of the most versatile clamp meters available and offers outstanding value for its price. Number 3. Fluke T5-600 Electrical Tester. The Fluke T5-600 offers many of the same advantages as the T5-1000, but at a slightly lower price point. It automatically measures AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts and features the same open-jaw current measurement system for measuring AC current up to 100 amps. It also provides continuity and resistance testing in a compact design. What I like most about this model is its simplicity. There are no complicated menus or settings, making it ideal for fast troubleshooting. Pros: easy-to-use design, automatic voltage detection, open-jaw current measurement, excellent Fluke durability. Cons: a limited to 600 V maximum voltage, fewer advanced features. Who's it for? This model is ideal for electricians who want a fast and reliable everyday tester without extra complexity. Final thoughts. The T5-600 remains one of the best choices for quick electrical diagnostics and daily field work. Number 4. Ideal Electrical 61-747 TightSight. The Ideal TightSight 61-747 is a feature-packed clamp meter designed for professionals who need multiple testing functions. It supports AC-DC current measurement up to 400 amps and includes temperature testing, capacitance measurement, diode testing, continuity testing, and non-contact voltage detection. The dual backlit displays and integrated flashlight are especially useful when working in dark environments. One feature I really appreciate is the TightSight display design, which improves visibility while taking measurements in tight spaces. Pros: 400 AC-DC current measurement, dual backlit displays, built-in flashlight, multiple testing functions. Cons: less brand recognition than Fluke, bulkier than compact testers. Who's it for? This is a great option for electricians and maintenance professionals who want a full-featured clamp meter at a reasonable price. Final thoughts. The ideal TightSight offers excellent functionality and practical job site features that make everyday testing easier. Number 5. UNI-T UT210E Mini Clamp Meter. The UNI-T UT210E may be the smallest tool on this list, but it delivers impressive performance for the price. This compact clamp meter supports both AC and DC current measurement up to 100 amps and includes true RMS technology for accurate readings. It also measures voltage, resistance, capacitance, and continuity. What makes the UT210E special is its portability. It easily fits into a tool bag or even a pocket, making it perfect for technicians who need a lightweight testing solution. Pros: compact and lightweight design measures both AC and DC current. True RMS accuracy, excellent budget-friendly option. Cons: smaller display, a lower current range than larger models. Who's it for? I recommend this model for HVAC technicians, automotive diagnostics, hobbyists, and budget-conscious buyers. Final thoughts. The UT210E proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to get reliable electrical testing performance. Final verdict. After comparing all 5 electrical testers and clamp meters, each model offers something different depending on your needs. Best overall, Fluke T5-1000. The T5-1000 delivers the best combination of reliability, simplicity, accuracy, and professional performance. Best value for money, Klein Tools CL800. The CL800 offers the widest range of measurement functions for the money. Best professional tester, Fluke T5-600, a durable and dependable tester for daily troubleshooting. Best feature-rich clamp meter, ideal 61 to 747 TightSight packed with useful functions and job site-friendly features. Best budget pick, UNI-T UT210E, compact, accurate, and affordable for technicians and DIY users alike. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.